And this is the CR. Yeah. Very big CR. And beautiful. Like the design. And guys, this is the view on the first floor. Ayan. And this is a Balinese infinity pool. So yan guys, yung free breakfast namin is in-upgrade namin to pool. Ayan. So mag-a-add lang kayo ng 200,000 rupiah. So, ito yung hotel namin, Donny House and Villa. May kasamang maliit na Ayan. They also provide scooter for rent. And so, we just came here from our Ubud day tour. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, they serve floating breakfast for 200,000 Indonesian rupiah. Oh, our bag is here. Our luggage. Yan, dito kami sa Donny House Villa. Meron silang spa packages, Balinese spa. Yeah. Tatry namin. Ang tagal naman ng 4.5. Wow. 175,000. Bali Moon Spa.
Flower bath or
milk bath. So, ito. Let's go! Ito yung nila, cafeteria. Yan, mga room. So, check natin yung unang room. Yan.
So this for the
Number
number 2?
2.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
In downstairs. This
Yeah. And this is the CR. Yeah. Very big CR. And beautiful. Like the design. Oh, nakada CR para isang buong kwarto. Wow. Okay. So check natin yung sa baba. Sa bababa kami. Wala, dito lang. Ito isang room.
Ito daw isa?
Medyo gabi na, so bukas mas gabi pa rin kami. Ayan. This number 5. That's the pool. There's a gazebo. Wow. Yeah. Room number 5. And now let's go to our room, king size, and it is located in lower ground 4. Whoa. Oops.
Ang layo!
Oh my god.
Ang layo!
Let's go. Let's just check. But it's the king. We're not there, right? Oh, where's Kuya? And there's another pool. The second pool. Oh, whoa. Okay. Just go first.
This for
Number
number 10.
10. The king size, right?
Yeah.
Okay. They have it a small terrace.
Downstairs we have pool.
The second pool.
Like for yoga, not for swimming.
Oh, okay. The only pool for swimming is only at the top.
Yeah.
Okay. But you can, where is the pool that you can go on the eat on the water?
In the upside.
Down no.
Down now.
Oh, on the
Because
other.
this have like a fish.
Office.
Outside.
Okay.
Inside.
Okay, let's check. Wow. Okay, this is the king. Oh, very big. And then yeah, one. They have a ref, free water, coffee. Yeah. Let's check the CR. And this is the CR. Very nice with the view. If you want, or can open the window. Yeah. This is the king size bed. Also have TV. Is this air condition? Air condition?
In the upside.
Oh, yeah. It is open. Have aircon. Okay, nice. Nga pala guys, so pag pupunta kayo na Indonesia, huwag niyong kalimutan magdala ng ganitong adapter, yung bilog. Kasi ganyan yung saksakan nila, almost lahat. So, hindi kayo makapag-charge. Buti na lang sa hotel is nagpapahiram sila ng 1 adapter per room. So, yan. Madami na din saksaka. Mas okay din pala yung mga ganito. So, yan. Sasalpak nyo lang. Yun. Yan. Salpak nyo lang para makapag-charge. Hindi rin pwede dito. Taas baba lang. Yun. Sumikislap pa. So, yun. Okay. Yeah. Small ref. Ano laman? Wow. Bintang Sprite Coke. And it is working. Mini bar price list. Ayan. 20,000 ang Coke in can. So, yeah. Meron din pala siyang shower. Outside shower siya. Ayan. Kita siya dito. Nasa almost dito siya sa floor. Ayan. Tapos meron din syempre free toothbrush, toothpaste, I think shampoo, conditioner, soap. May color pala oh. Donny House Bila. Shampoo is green, conditioner is yellow, and shower gel. Yeah, it's either blue, red, or yeah, something. So, pinupuno na namin ngayon yung bathtub. Kaya magbabathtub kami. So, yun. Nice. Okay. Meron pa kaming terrace. Ayan. Morning guys. So now let's have our breakfast in the pool. Let's go to the pool. Yan yung pool sa baba. Pangalawang pool. Tapos ayan yung view natin. Bahay dyan. Ito yung terrace. Ito yung room namin. Ayan. Pool. So, tara, let's go. So guys, we are on the lower ground floor. So let's go up 4 floors. Tara, let's go. Ayan guys, forest vibe. Parang jungle. Alright, we're almost there. So here's the canteen area. Ayan, and they serve breakfast at 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. naman for full breakfast. Ayan. menu nila. Yan. Small canteen lang siya. Kasi meron din silang CR dito sa gilid. Yan. Ayan, may beer sila, Bintang. Alright guys, we are here now at the pool. Malamig yung tubig. Not cold. And this is a Balinese infinity pool. Alright, so let's just wait for our pool breakfast. And they serve at 8 a.m. with additional fee of 200,000 Indonesian rupiah. And this is our overlooking view. Ayan. So relaxing. And the pool. And it is located at the lower ground 2. And that's the first floor. From number 10. Okay, thank you. Wow, breakfast in pool. Yeah. So yan guys, yung free breakfast namin is in-upgrade namin to pool. Ayan. So mag-a-add lang kayo ng 200,000 rupiah. So sa pool na kayo magbe-breakfast. And with this infinity pool and this kind of view. Yeah. Kawai, Ivy, say hi. Wow. Yes. Breakfast in pool, yes. banana, watermelon, and pineapple. And lime. Ano lang. Yes! Pwede rin kayo manghingi ng towel pag magsiswimming kayo. So ngayon magsiswim-swim na tayo. Yeah, welcome to Bali, Indonesia. So dito tayo ngayon sa Donny House and Villa. So ito yung pool nila. Ayan, swim tayo ngayon. So dito pala ako nag-breakfast. Breakfast at the pool. So, let's swim. Oh. Nandun ang view guys, oh. Charan. Ano siya? Ayan, infinity pool. Tapos ayun yung mga villa. Ayan. Hi Uncle Mike. Say hi. Yes. And this is the pool, infinity pool. And there's a Buddha fountain, I think. And that's our pool breakfast. Yes. Yan, ganda dito. So let's swim ulit. Let's swim. Buddha. There's the Buddha. Okay. And guys, this is the view on the first floor. Ayan. So later guys, we will have a room arrangement. And it costs 200,000 rupiah. And pwede nyo i-request if anong gusto nyo design or gusto nyo ipalagay. Morning.
Sorry.
Okay. So now I will tour you here. Kung anong meron pa dito sa. So this is our room. Uy. There's another pool there, but it's only for yoga session, not for swimming. Right there. The terrace, small terrace. Wow. Yes. Welcome, newlywed. So guys, if you are newlywed and you are going to Bali, don't forget to make a room arrangement. Ganda. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Saksuma.